Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the elevation unit in the speedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down, look for the elevation unit button and click on that. And as you can see, there are two options, so you can set the elevation unit to feet and meters. And if there's a blue tick next to one of them, it means that the function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.